Hi class 2, I hope all of you are fine. So all of you have given your exam properly, I have seen. So now we are going to begin our second unit test syllabus, okay. So in your second unit test, what are the chapters are there, I am going to tell you today. So please mark it in your book. Chapter number 6, that is the mice and the elephants, and chapter number 8, the changing tree. Okay, these two chapters are there for your second unit test, which will be held in the month of December. Okay, so today we are going to start chapter number 6. So all of you please take out chapter number 6, the mice and the elephants, page number 73. So, I have written here on the board chapter number 6, the mice and the elephants. Okay. So, all of you have seen mice. Okay. And elephants also have. I hope you have all of you seen. So, you know the size of the elephant. The elephant is very huge. It is having the trunk. Okay. You see the elephant picture is given in your book. And the mice is also there and a cat. Okay, here you can see the elephant and the mice, both of them are quarreling with the size of a cat, whether the cat is small or whether the cat is whether the cat is small or big. Okay, and here they are asked, list 5 things that an elephant finds big. What are the 5 things that an elephant can see here in this picture that is big? Okay, so this is one activity. So if you want, you can solve it. Okay, so now we will read the story and we will understand. Long ago, near a lake in a thick forest, there lived lots of mice. Now, long ago, near a lake. What is the meaning of lake? Please look at the board. The meaning of lake is a large area of water that is surrounded by land. Okay? A large area of water. So, a large area where water is present, okay, and it is surrounded by land, okay. You have seen pond, but it is not a pond, it is bigger or larger than the pond, okay, which is surrounded by land. Then herd, what is the meaning of herd? A group of animals of the same type. Like when group of elephants are going together, we can tell a herd of elephants, okay, or a herd of cows. So when many animals of the same type are going together, it is called herd. Okay. Thundered across forest means moved quickly and noisily from one side of the forest to the other. That is called thundered across the forest. Okay, so let's see in the book. Long ago, near a lake, a thick forest, there lived lots of mice. So inside a thick forest, there lived lots of mice. Near a river, you know the river water, it is going like this. Near a river on the other side. So one side of the forest, in a thick forest, there was mice. Okay. On the other side of the forest, there was a river and there lived some herd of elephants. Okay. Group of elephants. The elephant queen asked the herd. Now what happened? One hot summer, the river ran dry. So by the river, the elephants were staying. But that river became dry because of the hot season. Okay, hot summer season. You know that in the summer season it is very hot. The rivers, the lakes, the water dries off. So that's why the elephant queen, he asked the herd to search for water. So the elephant queen asked the herd to search for water. So the elephant queen now told the herd that go and search for water, where you can get water for us. Okay. After a few days, one of the elephants came back and said that there was a lake on the other side of the forest. Now after a few days, they traveled to the other side of the forest. In one forest the elephants were staying, and then they traveled to another forest. Then there they searched for water, and after that they returned back and they told that they have found a place. Okay, so and said that there was a lake on the other side of the forest. So finally they have found a lake on the other side of the forest. So the thirsty herd thundered across the forest towards the lake. So they were very thirsty, okay? They were very thirsty. They wanted to drink water. That's why they thundered across the forest. Thundered across the forest means moved quickly and noisily. So everyone was thirsty. So they were running very fast. They were moving quickly towards the other forest to drink water. Okay. Now please turn to page number 74. As the elephants entered the mouse colony, the mice had to go scurrying in all directions. So, what is the meaning of scurrying? It is given in your book. See, scurrying meaning is running with quick short steps. Okay, they were running everywhere. When the elephants were entering into that forest actually belonged to the mice. Okay, the mice was living there. The mice were living there, and so they were moving everywhere in all direction. They had to save themselves from the enormous feet of the elephants. Now they are very afraid that if they will be stamped on by these elephants, okay, because elephants were enormous. Enormous means very big, very huge. Okay, the house of the mice were destroyed and their stores of food were squashed. So the mice, although they were making the houses were destroyed and it were squashed. Squashed means pressed hard, because the elephants, you know, elephants' feet are very heavy. When they are walking, all they are destroying, okay, on that way. So the mouse king went to talk to the elephant queen. He scurried up her trunk and said, so the mouse king thought, no, it will be a danger for us. So the mouse king went to the elephant queen. He scurried up her trunk and said, please walk carefully across our colony. In turn, if you ever need our help, we will be there. So what the mouse king told? That okay, fine, you are coming to our area for drinking the water from the lake. It is okay, but when you are coming, you must be careful so that our mice should not be destroyed, means you are destroying their home and also you are killing them. So you should not harm us. Then we will also one day help you. Okay. So all of you students, mark up to this. We will learn up to here. Then we will proceed on the next day. So whatever meanings today we have learned: lake, herd, thundered across forest, scurrying, enormous, squashed. Okay. Please write down these meanings in your copy. Okay. Today only in English literature copy. Please write down the meanings and learn the meanings. Okay. Bye everyone.